Hi, my name is Brenna, and I'm a Jimmy's Famous Meals customer. So fitness means to me basically a lifestyle, so you have to choose to wake up every day to live like this and to help yourself and your body physically and mentally. So always being prepared and being like one step ahead of the game can really help this lifestyle. You know, ordering Jimmy's Famous Meals can really help me throughout the day because I'm super busy, I have work, I have school, I'm a full-time student, so always being prepared so I don't fall back or plateau into an old way. Knowing that I have that, in there for me ready right after my workout or before I start school, it really helps me and my goals, whether I'm trying to cut down or just be healthy or, eat more protein for my workouts. It really helps me like all around. Jimmy's Famous Meals is for, I think, anyone that has a goal, whether they want to just eat healthier, don't have time for cooking for everyone in their family or just cooking for themselves, having food already ready for you and food that you like, it really helps you, progress in your journey.